So this first one comes from Tracy, and she is Mrs. TLC1. And look at how adorable this is. Oh my goodness. I cannot look at this beautiful dangle. This is so stinking pretty. Look at the little ginger. We have a Christmas tree. We have peppermint candy. I really love this one. That was so cute. Just beautiful festive colors. We have this really pretty poinsettia with the snowflake in the background. She die cut Mary with the shadow, a little snowflake here. She also did some stitching around the edges. She used the new Scrap Diva banner die. Has this really pretty red pom-pom trim going down the edge there. Gold snowflake. And she's also included some fun goodies. I love this little pouch here. This has to be a die. This is so cute. But she's added some sequin mix in here. I don't want to open it too far. It has reusable sticky tape. Okay, so it's in a pouch. We see all those beautiful colors. We have the peppermints, the snowflakes. We have the greens, the reds, the Christmas trees, the clay sprinkles, the really pretty fuchsia, like iridescent fuchsia up in there. And then this really, really pretty mix. Also some really teeny tiny clear little beads at the bottom. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but that is so pretty. Extremely colorful. I love it. And then she's also included this cute little notepad by Scarlet Lime. Oh, Planner Society. Oh, fun. That is so cute. I love this. I need to put this in my work truck because, you know, customers be acting a fool, so I got to leave them notes. All right. So she has used the bulldog clip for her closure. We have some fun shred on the inside. Oh, that's her tag. Super excited. Let's put that to the side. All right, so we're going to keep that there. Oh, I am so excited. All right, so those are die cuts. That is, okay. So we have her first embellishment. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this. And I think this is a Scrap Diva die as well. This is so stinking cute. I love the sequins you added in there. She even has some little iridescent gems. This is so cute. Oh, it goes this way. Okay. But this is like literally like a flat snow globe. I love it. Because she has that scene in there with the houses. Like this was perfectly made. You really thought this out very well. I love it. And then she has the little, she did some fussy cutting and then add a little candy cane cabochon there. This is so cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, that is too cute. And then, you know, this is so cute. She used a little banner die. She had put ho 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 in the center. She stitched it closed. She used that. I'm not exactly sure what this particular one is called. It reminds me of like a spider web. But she has some like tulle mesh in the background there. The pretty ruffle. This is so stinking pretty. And it's like, it's super simple, but it still stands out. And I love it. You can put it pretty much on anything. I love that. And then here are her die cuts. I love this pouch. Oh my goodness. I adore it. And then here we have a candy cane. We have a ornament. I had to think about what it was for a second. And then we have like a little ginger house, a ginger snowflake, and a stocking. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Oh, those are so cute. And then last but not least, how cute is this? It's an ornament and it says joy. She added some pretty little filigree up here. We have the pom-pom trim and some lace trim. She did some inking on the edges, and this bad boy is nice and thick and sturdy. Really pretty seam binding that she added for her hanging element. There's your to from. How beautiful. And then she has a little poinsettia and a snowflake there. Really pretty paper collection you use too. That is so cute. Fantastic job. Thank you so much for participating. And she's new to the group. Not new to the scene, but she's new to my group. And this, I want to say this is her first swap since being on the group. And so thank you so much, Tracy. You guys, make sure you check her out at Mrs. TLC1. Next, we have Tamika Morris, and she is sending more smiles with Tamika. And look at how adorable. First of all, look at the little brown Santa. How cute is that? And she even has a little mesh in the background. It says, "Believe in your elf." All of them have different sentiments. This is the one I chose that made me laugh and giggle. She had a fishtail banner in the background. Really cute collection that she used here. And she did a Velcro closure. How cute. So we have, let's see, make sure we hide her tag. All right. So, oh, look at the little pretty sequin mix that she has included. I have stuff flying everywhere. It says "Wish" on the top and just a bunch of different confettis. We have some star sequins, some gold sequins. Really, really cute. And then, so for her, I'm not sure what this is. I think this was just chilling in the background. Maybe that was hanging on to this, maybe. I'm not sure. But we have her embellishments, and she did some Santa bows. So she has the white background, she has the black fishtails, and then she has the red on top with the little belt in the center. So cute. I like that. It's really cute. And then for her die cuts, she has included. All right, so we have a Christmas tree. We have a little, oops, got something stuck on the back there. We have a little gift wrap present. We have a bell with a bow. We have holly berries. And then we have, oh, this came apart. Or no, that's separate. Okay. We have like the little poinsettia leaves. And then we have this little snowman. He's just chilling. Just saying what's up. Kind of looks like a ghost. Not gonna lie, he kind of does. You're kind of scary, my boy. Nah, I'm just kidding. It is so cute. Thank you so much. And then last but not least, we have her tag. And here she did a cute little mitten. Really pretty paper that you use there. We have the little circle on top there. Really cute. Thank you so much for participating, Tamika. Again, guys, check her out at Sending More Smiles, Tamika. Last but certainly not least, wrapping up the finale, we have Anna. You can find her at HNK Creations. I love this shred that she had in her bag. I've never seen this. I don't know where it's at, but I must know because it is so pretty and I can't stop playing with it, but I'm gonna have to for courtesy of this video. And really pretty paper that she used for her box. Like, this is gorgeous. I love that. Again, there she is, H&K Creations with her QR code. This is so pretty, and the texture of it, it feels so nice. And look at this gorgeous flower that she has on top of there. She has holiday cheer with some shiny glitter paper in the background. That is so pretty. Her tag was on the outside, so I pulled that to the side. And she used Velcro for her closure. Alright, making sure I got everything outside the box. Like, this is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Alright, so, and, oh look. Swap information. Cute little card here with the little candy canes. So, if you're not getting what the theme is here. So she's included some fun little tidbits. Look at these really pretty glitter poinsettia flowers. Oh, these are cute. And they have sticky backs. Yeah, those are pretty. I like that. And then she's also included a little sequin mix here with the candy canes. She has the whites, the reds, the glitter, the iridescent. Really beautiful mix. She got some snowflakes and stars. So pretty. I like that. Thank you so much for that. And then look at her so stinking cute embellishments. Look at these adorable candy canes. I love these bows that she had added onto them with those little flowers in the center. That beautiful shiny glitter paper in the background. How pretty are those? Oh, they're so pretty. And then for her die cuts, she's included little peppermint candy. We have these cute little bows. Oh, and she sent so many, so thank you for that. Look at that one. These are so cute. Going along with that cane and little peppermint theme. And look at these little candies. Oh, so cute. I love them. And then we have another little one there. And then we have one that says joy. And then we have the little presents. Loving this paper. And then we have the candy canes. They're so cute. All the extras. Truly appreciate it. So stinking cute. And last but not least, we have her tag. How pretty you are. So she did the double candy canes here. Added the bow in the center. She has some red eyelash trim as her hanging element. And then she has her two from right there on the tails of the bow. How cute and very, very clever. I did show examples on how you can kind of turn anything into a tag. Like nothing had to be like actually tagged. You can turn anything into a tag, and she definitely did that. Put her candy canes together, added that bow, added that hanging element, boom, two from, bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself a shape tag, my friend, and you were clever about it. So fantastic. Guys, please make sure you go check out Anna at H&K Creations, and while you're at it, say what's up to Tamika at Sending More Smiles Tamika, and don't stop there. Make sure you say what's up to Tracy at Mrs. TLC1. Fantastic series. Thank you so much, ladies, for participating in this swap. I had a whole lot of fun. You ladies did a fantabulous job. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go check out the ladies, check out the other videos if you have missed them, and don't forget to subscribe and like this one. Until next time, bye.